Giving us another day in the 80s. 82 officially out at DIA. Upper 70s, low 80s into northern Colorado. It was warm off to the eastern plains. 60s and 70s up in the mountains too. And you can see our record high 89 still stands. It was last set back in 1991, but it has been extremely dry. No rain today, no rain for the entire month. But again, I am tracking this promising storm that looks to roll in Friday night into Saturday. The winds, they've been kicking up, especially across the eastern plains. 30 to 40 plus mile-per-hour speeds around Burlington through Lamar. We once again are going to be watching for strong winds tomorrow, hence the reason a red flag warning is in place for much of the day on Thursday. Wind gusts upwards again of 45 miles per hour. Humidity values incredibly low, so just keep that in mind if you're going to be out on the plains tomorrow. We do have a weak system that is cruising across Colorado's high country tonight. Some light snowfall around the San Juans, and then looking in around Fairplay, some light rain showers, maybe a little bit of snowfall through Summit County up there toward Idaho Springs. Otherwise, we stay dry here in Denver with partly cloudy skies and temperatures only falling to the 40s and low 50s here for most of eastern Colorado because of that cloud cover. Looking at the futurecast, still unsettled. This is later this evening about 11 o'clock. Couple of isolated showers towards south central Colorado, and those will be off and on overnight. Tomorrow morning, you wake up to a few clouds here in Denver. Already the rain begins out to the western slope. As the afternoon presses on, the cloud cover once again streams in across the Front Range and the eastern plains. It's about 5 o'clock. Most of the shower activity up in the mountains, but maybe 1 or 2 showers sneaking in across the eastern plains. Again, tonight we'll have the cloud cover with us, maybe that brief window to 3 a.m. and then the cloud cover is back for us early tomorrow. As we go throughout the afternoon, the heat's back. The winds will be kicking up again for the metro area, and the clouds will also drift in. We'll be tracking more showers up across Colorado's high country. Again, I expect a fairly dry day for us here in Denver ahead of our stronger storm that pushes in on Friday. With the cloud cover, we're still going to be tracking daytime highs in the mid to upper 70s tomorrow afternoon, even into the 80s off to the eastern side of the state because of those strong winds. Up through the mountains and into the foothills, a bit cooler with the cloud cover and the rain. 50s and low 60s for folks out there. High pressure moves off to the east, making way for our next storm system to barrel right on into the Four Corners. It's going to be a closed low, so it's not a part of the jet stream anymore. It will sit and spin over the weekend, ushering in some pretty heavy snowfall to the mountains. Right now, it looks like our central mountains and southwestern mountains, the San Juans, will be the biggest winners out of this storm. A winter storm already in place, goes into effect Friday afternoon, continues through Sunday. 1 to 2 feet of snowfall above 9,000 feet. We're talking all rain here for the metro area. It really ramps up later on Friday evening and then overnight into Saturday morning. Maybe a couple of showers lingering in the afternoon, but it feels